Hey guys, Alex here from HEXA Health Hub, and today we're talking about the deadlift, specifically how you can learn how to engage your lats better to create a stiffer, tighter body to help you with your lifts. Now, deadlifts are a really good strength exercise. They're one of the best gym exercises that you can do for global strength of your body. However, they are also a higher risk activity when you are doing them wrong. One of the key things that I see people doing wrong in the clinic with their deadlifts is not knowing how to engage through their lats to create a tight and stable body all the way from their shoulder down through their spine into their hips. Your lats are a big back muscle. They come from your top of your hip crest and your lower back, run all the way up into your mid back, then they come across and attach into the front of your arm underneath your armpit. When you tighten up that muscle, it creates a really stable, set position through your shoulder and your back when you're going from a bent over to standing position, like when you're doing a deadlift. If you're not engaging your lats, your shoulders can drop and round forward, and it doesn't create as much structural integrity. What this next exercise does is teaches you how to learn to use your lats to keep the bar nice and close to your body and keep your shoulders and your upper body tight all the way down through your hips and lower back. What you want to do is get a power band and attach it to a hook or a pole or the side of a squat rack down onto the floor. You then slide the barbell all the way through that band and pick it up nice and tall. Walk back as far as what you feel you can handle with the amount of tension that is created on the power band. From here, you're going to go into your hinge pattern or into your deadlift movement. Poking your bottom out, sliding the bar down your thighs, and then keep it touching your skin as it slides down your knees. The band will pull the shoulders forwards and pull the bar forwards. What you need to do is pull the bar and your shoulders back away from that anchor point of the power band. Once you've held that there, slide the bar up your knees, your thigh, and then up standing, and keep that tension on your shoulders. Even when you're standing here, there's no letting off on that tension, otherwise your shoulders drop and the bar drops forwards. So as you're standing up tall, shoulders draw back, hands draw back towards your thighs to get the bar onto your thighs. Sliding your hips back, keeping extended through your mid-back, keeping the bar pulled onto your shins, not letting it drop forwards and not letting your shoulders move, so pulling them back, and then standing up tall. Use this as your warm-up exercise for your deadlifts. You don't need to use any weight on the bar. The amount of tension created from the power band is well enough tension to get your lats really fired up and prep you for the best deadlift.